sat there 5 years ago. The doctors let us know, the test showed she'd have to fight to live. I broke down and cried. She held me and said, it's gonna be alright. She wore that wig to church, pink ribbon pin there on her shirt. No room for fear, full of faith, hands held high, singing Amazing Grace. Never once complained, refusing to give up, and I thought I was tough. She's strong, pushes on, can't slow her down. She can take anything life dishes out. There was a time back before she was mine when I thought I was tough. She's a gentle word, the sweetest kiss, a velvet touch against my skin. I've seen her cry, I've seen her break, but in my eyes she'll always be strong. There was a time back before she was mine when I thought I was